my god! Bruh, this is crazy! Best thunderstorm of the year. Mad thunder. See if I can catch some on camera. Holy crap. Wow. Holy mackerel! Whoa! Look at this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna stay right here by the door where I can't get struck by lightning. Or no, I'm gonna sit right here. Look at that. There's the bird. Right over there. I got home just in time. If it weren't for me getting home in time, I would have freaking... I'm not even joking. I probably would have gotten struck by lightning. Oh my god. Oh my... Dear Lord. Yeah, I was fishing out today, and then all of a sudden we started seeing dark clouds rolling, and I was freaking out because I was like, wait, I'm kind of far from home, so like, what, I should probably head home, and I decided I'm gonna head home, and that was probably the smartest decision I could ever make, because now look at all the lightning. Non-stop. Oh my god. All this action in 3 minutes. Bro, this is terrible. Look how fast those clouds are rolling. Dear God. Wow! It is right over us right now. I just saw a hail drop. It's hailing too. Oh my God! It's hailing. Do you see that? That was hail. That was hail. Bro, the storm is right above us. Do you hear that? We're getting hail. Oh my God, it's actually hailing. This is the first hail I've seen in probably like 12 years. Do you hear it? Look at this. Look at this. I gotta run and hurry. Look at this. Hail. Hail. It's hailing outside. Nature's wild eyes. Holy. Look at this. Bro, it's actually hailing out. Okay, I should get inside now. It's getting bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to see more ice though, more hail. More hail just dropped right there. Don't know if you can see it. There's so many little bits of hail. Oh god. Oh my god. This is horrific. Fishing lure. Woo! Look at those trees. Moving this chair way back here so I can just sit and watch it. Oh my god, it is directly above us. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm just in shock. All this changed in 7 minutes. Oh my god. And then there's a random freaking bird just sitting out in the freaking lightning storm on the edge of the water. Get out of there, little bird. Oh my god. Is this hail? No, that's a rock. But we got hail. Well, that's enough for me, guys. Look at that bird right down there. He's just enjoying it all. Look at him. I can't go that far. It's gonna get me completely soaked. Well, I think that's enough for today, guys. Like, press the subscribe button, and hit the like button. This is crazy. Bye.